Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna review some of the products which are emptied currently and how I like the products. So let me just firstly is show you the products. Kojic Acid Daily Face Wash. As you can see, this is how I have emptied the product, and this product was nice according to me since I have combination to dry skin. So sometimes you just want to try some new face washes, and kojic acid, as we all know, that it helps to remove the dark spots. But anyways, it does help me in removing, suppose if you have 10 on your skin, or you want, it is not that too dry, like for humid weathers or in a place where like it is comparatively it is hot and humid. I think this face wash by kojic acid, which is by Dermaco, is not bad. I do little bit of research whether it will suit me, and also the season, like the weather also matters a lot. The second product which I have almost finished, a little bit left, as you can see. Okay, I'll finish it anyhow, since I'm making this review based on products which I like and the empty products only, so it is going to finish only. That is the reason why I have included this product also. This is a Tony Moly, a very popular product, ceramide mochi toner by Tony Moly. Well, what I have to say about this product, it took me actually 2 years to complete this product. Yes, because during summer, don't even expect, if you are living at a place where it is extremely hot and humid, I don't think so you can finish this product, or even you will feel like applying also. I'm not talking about oily skin or any other skin. I'm talking about those who have dry skin or say combination skin. For them, even my dry skin people also, I don't think so they will love it too much, because during winters, yes, very good, but during summer, trust me, I didn't even touch this toner. Only at times when I feel like, okay, fine, I have to apply something, because it is sometimes it is so hot and humid, you don't feel like applying anything on your face. Okay, trust me, just applying a face wash and then you feel, just let me apply a moisturizer, like I'm talking about night skincare, and that's it. If you stay on a place which is dry, then it's fine. I don't want to use it at summer. It makes me more hot. I feel more hot when I apply such liquid product on my face. So not bad, but if you want to try it for the first time, I will not tell you to buy such big bottle. If you really want to try this, I will say that this will be very good during winters, or if you are facing dry and dehydrated skin. Then the third product which I have almost finished, it is this. You have seen me, if you have watched my any videos, you will see me, I apply, this is my daytime moisturizer by Simple. I like this moisturizer, like it's very good for dry skin. Okay, but just make sure that if you are staying on a place which is very hot and humid, I think apply very less. This moisturizer will last you for more than months, because this is not bad. This is by Simple, and this is how I usually finish my moisturizer. This is how, it's really nice. That's the reason why I can finish this moisturizer, and not bad this. So after Simple, now my fourth skincare product, which is a sunscreen, and this is the sunscreen. This is how, this is not bad. The sunscreen is by Aqualogica. I bought the sunscreen during November. Okay, during, I think there was a sale going on, so that is the time when I bought this sunscreen. So like, it is not bad. Okay, it is good. Like if you wear makeup, it goes well under makeup, and it helps me blend my other products too. It is not bad, I won't say it is bad. I applied this product, and I think other sunscreen, even other brands also which I have tried, it sting my eyes. And also I there is a peeling also. That's the reason why I'm very skeptical when it comes to purchase a sunscreen. But nowadays I think there are a lot more options. I mean, there is so much of options out there that you can see your skin needs and what specifically you require. You can get it, because that's the reason how you need to analyze, before purchasing a sunscreen. But for me it was like, I had no other options, because there were pretty much so many sunscreen which had fragrance, and I don't like fragrance which are too overpowering. And also whenever I apply makeup, it will peel, or else it will start, it just sting my eyes. Like after few hours, it starts burning, like, and I don't know, I don't like it. Okay, but during winters it is good. Will I buy this sunscreen again or not? I don't think so, because I think there are much better options then. And this is actually good during winters. I will never recommend this sunscreen during summer or during in a place where it is extremely hot and humid. It is definitely not worth it, because you will sweat more if you apply this sunscreen. And also there are all old generation filters, so if you have some kind of problem like with old generation filters, then I think you can always try out new generation filters, which I'm sure even Aqualogica also has updated their sunscreen filters, so you can check it out on their site as well. But otherwise it's not bad. Okay, I've tried out. And one more thing which I would like to say, I didn't face any such trouble, or also I did not face like any skin issues or something like that. It was okay for me. Recommend it for if you are staying on a place which is dry and your skin is dry, but I will not recommend this during hot. And finally, the last skincare product which I have from Requel. I also have the box. It is almost finished. It's going to, so I have included this too as well. Now this is a retinol cream. We all know like retinol is so important. So it took me 2 years to finish this product. Yes, and trust me, you don't require too much to apply this product. Just just a pea size will do. So just a pea size is enough, and if you think that you want to apply, just apply little bit more, not much. So this is what this is how I have applied, and this was the first retinol product which I have applied. Requel is good, so that's the reason why I could finish it. So this are all my skincare product. And finally now the hair care product, and the only product which I could finish it is this oil by Kapiva. It is this coconut oil. Now this oil is really good. I used to apply once in a month, so, and it took me again 1 year to finish this product. Also a hair serum which was not bad at all, only a little bit left, so which I'll finish it in the course of time. However, I like this product as well. So that's it. This is the hair serum, which is really good if you have it makes your hair frizz free. That's all I want to say. Finally, this were the products which I've emptied. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then please don't forget to kindly subscribe. Do like my channel, and I have very less subscriber, as you can see. Thank you so much.